Got tons and tons and tons of Converse on sale. And I can't believe they still got some of these. These are grade school, but still. Mitchell and S Steel right here. Did not expect to find this for that cheap, holy cow. Happened to be out in Orange County. Let's see what's up in Fullerton. And I already see sale signs before I even walk in. Very similar store to the one out in Panorama City. They got so much stuff here, man. First surprise, they still have grade school versions of these. These move so quick. Holy cow, and they still have grade school. Even grade school has been moving super quick. So that is definitely a surprise. And another surprise, they do have a clearance section, which is pretty cool. I don't know why I'm surprised that this place has a clearance section. I guess most places do, but I didn't really expect that. Do got some Pro Standard Chicago Bulls gear, which is pretty freaking dope. 55 down to 35. Falcons hoodie right here. What they talking about? $40 for Nike. Nike Falcons hoodie. Ja Morant hoodies here going for $50. Got sales on Nike's t-shirts. Ooh, they got Cookies t-shirts. I don't know that much about Cookies, to be really honest, but 36 down to $20. This thing looks hella huge. Yeah, double XL. They got some smaller sizes? No? I don't know. But yeah, they do got stuff right here on clearance. Nike shirts, $25. $40 for this Flight hoodie right here. Got a couple of smalls. What is this? Like, what is this? I was like, is this an Undefeated shirt? I swear I thought it was an Undefeated shirt. But yeah, definitely not one of those. It's on sale, but I don't know the price. But yeah, do got a few things on sale. What is this? Pro Standard. What team is that? Oh, the Bulls. That's actually pretty dope. $50 for those. Tons and tons and tons of apparel here. Let's see what's going on in the sneaker section. Guess this is Jordan and Nike right here. They got some Jaws on sale down to $70. They got the Why Nots. I haven't seen these in a while, dude. Why not 0.6 to 0.5s? I don't know. But they got one of these bad boys right here. I love this song on the radio. 0.6. These are huge sizes. And got this one going for regular price. I've never seen this. Never seen this one. Did this just release? Oh, wait, never mind. I have seen it. There's a touch of blue. Yeah, these released early this year. Got some nice suede on these bad boys. Eventually maybe. Still got the OG Barclays right here. This one is made with some interesting materials. Suede on the toe guard as well as the back right there. And then, is that burlap sack? What is that? Linen? $80 for those. Got another one here for $80, but yeah, they got a few. They got quite a few Air Force Ones like most other spots. They do have the suede pandas right here. What these go for? $125 for those. They got this colorway as well. Oh, they got a little deal. You get 5% off the first. If you buy 2, you get 10. You get 15% off. You get 3. Do got the Jordan winterized boots. Have not seen these at too many spots. If you like buck leather, they got you right there. If you like nubuck, man, they got these super soft ones right here. $185 for these. They got the KD 16s right here. $115. I think we've seen them cheaper at other spots, right? I don't think I've seen this colorway right here though. Got Jordan t-shirts that I don't think I've seen these t-shirts, have I? I don't think so. But yeah, $48 for those now. Wow. And they got Samoas right here, all black Samoa. I don't think I've seen these. And then they got baby blue one right here, $60 with the gum bottom. This one is dope. I am a huge fan of the Samoas. Just not great for us wide foot people. But yeah, I got gazelles right here, all white Samoas, hella clean. Then got some Vans right here for $35 and $30. Got the Jordan slides. These are normally $55. They're down to $30. These look really comfy. The foam seems pretty freaking comfy. Suna slides right here. I told my kid to try on suit slides. He was not a fan of those. But yeah, 50 bucks for these. These are normal at 65. The Thunder 4 slides. These are, what, size 13 right there. And then this might be the cheapest we've ever seen, the Converse. Holy cow. They got all kinds of Converse going for $30. Holy cow. Look at this. This one's the faux leather one right here, as well as the black ones. Then they got some on top as well. $30. That's definitely a steal. And then they got these right here as well. And then the boots. You need some Converse boots? Do you got Converse boots? These are Chuck 70 boots too. Okay. Okay, and they got a blue one right here. I don't think I've ever seen those. And 574s. I don't even think I've seen this colorway. Super, super long hair suede. $60 for both of these bad boys right here. Then Air Max 90s. 100 a piece for those. I still like these. These ain't bad. Then Air Max 90s. Air Max 90s. And then this one, I don't think I've ever seen this one. That's like that's the information you get when you are editing sound, editing videos or whatever. So yeah, $1.50 for those. Never seen that. They do have a women's section. I haven't seen these in a while. Haven't these sold out at most spots? That's pretty dope. They still got these. Black and yellow dunks right here. 65 for those highs. Air Max 90s in the women's section. Got Air Max 1s also on sale in the women's. Then got these right here. Air Max 97s. Then Forces right here. Then 574s right here. Some decent suede. Man, I can't get enough suede on my 574s. 65 for those. Then Converse right here. Man, try to get those men's on sale, man. Those are hella cheap. They got Grade School in the back right here. Grade School section do got playoff 13s right here. Definitely a surprise to see these. 100 bucks. I got a few 6s on sale. These are the Georgetown ones. Okay. And Spizikes in a colorway that I've never seen. I was kind of curious to see if this one does have. Oh no, I thought it had 3M or something. It is a suede, but I was like, is that a suede with 3M? Nah. Zion 3s going for outlet-like prices. This is definitely a good colorway for kiddos. And do got trainers, a couple different trainers. $50 for this one. Then Forces right here, $50. And they got a few other ones. Super budget options for the kiddos. $30 for all kinds of Reeboks. Not bad at all. All white with gum, all black with gum. Kids can't go wrong with that, man. This isn't a community store, so it is really interesting because they do have a ton of streetwear, including these right here. Have I seen? I don't even think I've seen these. Home and away jersey right here for Patrick Ewing. This is definitely interesting. I don't think I've seen this one. But yeah, $40? $40 for this? Holy cow. Really? Do I need to get this? For my brother-in-law? Holy cow. Brother-in-law's a diehard New York fan. Holy crap. Holy crap. I can't believe these are that cheap. All kinds of Mitchell & Ness stuff on sale. Matumbo for 45 bucks. Got a couple of sizes here. A large as well as a large. So got a couple of larges. Got LeBron jerseys. They got Jordan USC jerseys, but they got multiple colorways, multiple different years. Because that's the front of this one. And I think this one's an older one. Yeah, this looks like an older one. But those are all Nike ones. I don't think the Nike ones are on sale. But the Mitchell & Ness, they only have a couple of them, but hella cheap. And this place also has some cleats and stuff like that. It is one of the community stores, so they want to make sure fools can get cleats and stuff like that for your high school kids. Pretty dope. 110 for those. I don't know nothing about these cleats, guys. Yeah, 135 for those. They got the Jordan cleats right here. 150 for the mid cleats. 3 different colorways. I think this one's like a grade school or something. Only $60 for this one. And 140 for the low. This one uses better material too than just the regular Jordan 1 Lowe's. And that's definitely interesting seeing that on the bottom. Man, these are dope too. These are dope. $140 for these. And they got some budget options too. As well as some right here. Look at this. Look at this. $30 for this one right here. It's a Nike cleat. Normally $60. They got some Adidas as well. Adidas steels. Not too bad. Messy ones for $60. That's not bad. Normally $100. And they got some high-end ones here as well. $140. Just so I don't hear from you guys saying, hey, I'm hating on these fools. Yeah, they got a little bit of everything. Definitely worth stopping by if you're in the area. This is the location in Fullerton. They got plenty of the locations. I might have to stop by the one near me soon. Camarillo just opened up. We got 30% off the back wall. This is the cheapest Air Max 97 we've seen in so long. The cheapest Union Cortez we've ever seen. Wow, the last of it. And they had these down to $50 freaking dollars. $50. I did miss out on it. Can these be the cheapest Air Maxes we've ever seen?